Ayan, so ready for us na kami guys. So go home, travel na naman kami guys. Pauwi na kami guys. So bye muna. Bye for now sa Boracay. Uwian na time. Ayan. Go home na kami guys. Yes. Go home time.
Kaya kasay dito. Kaya Ben.
Tapos na ang vacation. Yes, Bishi.
Yes.
Ayan, so bye na at this moment.
Okay. Bye, ma'am. See you next time.
Yes, see you next time here in Boracay.
Yes. Dito na yung sundo namin.
Bye-bye na.
Again.
Hi, magbaba man pala tong bag natin, Bes. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Yan si Bishi, nauna na.
Mga turista.
Mahala, yes, oras na uwian ng turista. Parang kasama ang panahon. Si Mama Joy, hintayin mo. Uwian na kami, guys. It's time to, go home. Outfit check. Labas na kami, guys. Dili. Ayan, masama. Medyo masama pa na.
Bisa, kape.
O, yan. Oras ng abay. Uwian. Bye, Boracay. Wala na, Bes. Matatanggal na siya, Bes.
Yan, kape.
Bye! Guys, going to Caticlan Airport na tayo. So, from Boracay, si Pancho at si Mama Joy doon. So, 4 lang kami, guys. We feel very special and VIP. And then si Kuya. So, maganda pala yung nila, best lang.
Oo.
Kasi maganda yung service
Yes,
nila.
service nila.
So, very,
After 5 years, see you again.
see you again and back here in Boracay. Okay. So, yun lang guys, ang update namin.